Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys.
Today we're gonna do some mowing because we need to look after the winter the grass, and we have a product from Ryobi,
Battery operated.
and it's very fast and efficient, but we would like to test it in real conditions, and I hope it's not gonna rain.
Hopefully it won't.
So let's do some mowing.
Yeah. So, battery, very easy to, just clicks in, so easy. We've got a little adjustment so you can select the height of the grass you want. And we've got its little pocket. That again is very easy to install. Just lift. And our machine is ready.
And this model has the EasyEdge, so that means you cut very close to the wall without any problems cutting. This model has the single battery, but you can get the double battery, which of course it's adding more time on the cutting process. But it is quite lightweight for people that they want to, they don't have the power to lift a petrol mower.
Yeah, I will actually show you, as I am tiny anyway.
Yeah.
It's just literally go like that. Very, very light.
So it might be 7 kilos, 8 kilos. We will see, and we will put on the screen what is the exact weight of it. So let's start.
So to power it on, I always lift it from the ground. Press that here and So easy. Yes, I did accidentally fall on the plant pot.
So if you can't have a petrol mower just because of the noise or just because you don't want to have a heavy device, as I said, it's a good idea to have a battery one. And the noise of this device is very low. So, do you want to finish?
I will.
So this is the Ryobi 33 centimeter blade. It's only 7.5 kilos. The maximum noise, it's 96 decibels. This is the one that takes the ONE Plus batteries. So if you have a drill that has the ONE Plus, you can use those batteries, the 18 volts. Very, very lightweight, as we said.
Very easy to use.
Very easy to use, adjustable height.
And as you saw at taller grass, that I did have a spot that was quite thick and tall. It had no problem actually going through it. It didn't even slow down.
So you have a good capacity on the back.
Yeah.
Obviously, when your grass is too tall, you have to...
Well, yeah, put it a little bit higher. I used it as normal because I only had one spot. Was not having a hard time.
So what do you think, guys? Do you want us to review more garden tools? It covers with one charge the whole mow. A bigger lawn, you can always get the double battery one. They are in a very good price. You will see on the bottom of the video on the description. I'm Mr. D.
I'm Zoe.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.